What's going on? Today we're going to attempt to hip fire a J.C. Higgins bolt action 16 gauge. What we're shooting out of it is high brass number 4. We're just wanting to show you how well of a self-defense shotgun this would be. I think it's a fairly cheap gun. Buddy Chad, he's going to attempt to shoot down them milk jugs on top of that little stand we got there. See how well he can do it. He's going to shoot 3, and then he's going to try to reload as fast as he can and shoot 3 more. Alright Chad, go ahead. Let's see what you got, bud. There you go. Reload that mother effer. They're coming for you, Chad. They're coming.
They're coming? Tell them I'll be waiting. Ah, fuck!
This is why there's better choices in shotguns for self-defense.
You broke my fucking target. Sorry, man.
Mike, hold on, man.
Progress, man. Progress.
Go.
Sorry.
Run that motherfucker.
Shit.
Quick. There she is. She ain't the best out there, but I guess you could use her if you had to.
She's hot.